Good evening everyone. This video going to explain what is the principle behind the transmission electron microscope. Why we want to learn about this means past 2 days first video we have learned many nanoparticle synthesis method. After the synthesis we want to characterize the nanoparticle. Today's sections are explained about what is the characterization techniques are available in nanotechnology and what is the principles behind that each and every technology you have learned. In this purpose of making this video, we want to know how to interpret the nanoparticle structure. So only we are making this video. In this video, this part is taken from the YouTube itself, but it's molded for our purpose. This is the platform. It's a different lens behind the TEM instrument. We are placing the sample here. Light source are passed through the lens 1 and passed to the material. That projection is posted in this image. Here we can see the particles are occupying some place. That places that light cannot move pass through the particular spot. So that spot are darkened here. That darkened image shown what is the TEM image. It's magnifying. You can see the shape of the cell. Then another one type of transmission electron microscopy is a STEM. In this STEM, each and every particles are individually characterized here. You can see here that each and every particles are allowing the light based on the travel. You can get the image in darkened surface. That images separately explain this images, then going to this part. You can see in that only you can get this color images. Based on the particle intensity, you can measure the sample. This method is this image animation going to explain how the light is transmitted, how the image is get displayed. Okay. Based on that space, the particle having space, having the shadows. This shadows explain what is the size. So what is the size of the nanoparticle? Here you can see the nanobar. This scale is varies based on the instrumental focus. If the scale is 75 nanometer means this amount of space occupying place. If for example this square shaped cube particle having the particular projection, this scale you can occupy. So we can tell this cube having 75 nanometer size. Okay, in every nanoparticle characterization, TEM is a very important technique. you can analyze in this TEM analysis. You can analyze the shape of the particle, then you can analyze the count, how much amount of particles present in particular space. Okay, this everything is depends on the TEM resolution. Here they can set the resolution, scaling is 40 nanometer. So 40 nanometer means in this space, this part you can move this scale to this place. So it's occupying particular place means that is 40 nanometer size. Likewise, we have to calculate the size of the image. Everything is about the this kind of images only we want to display in paper, articles, any presentation. You have to explain with this scale amount, with this scale. Every image should having this scale.